Hi, I'm Davis. In today's short video, I'll show you reason number 62,837 to own and carry a multi-tool. And that reason for me today is spreading joy in my little kingdom. So this is one of the kids' favorite toys. It's a plastic frog that makes all kinds of noises. But the main attraction to it is that when you move this ring backwards, it makes noises, and here this melody should be much longer, but because the batteries are pretty much dead on it, it just stops. So I have my Swiss 2 Spirit X here, which I will use today. Let me bring you a little bit out. Yeah, that's better. And find the screwdriver. Open the door. That is taking way longer than I expected. Damn. So here are the batteries. Don't you just love it when they use this kind of batteries in toys? They don't last very long and ain't really cheap. So I bought some Vartas, hoping that they will last a bit longer than a cheaper kind, and here is a great opportunity to use the chisel on the Swiss 2 Spirit with this focus, please. Come on. With this pointy end, so just take it and slice. Oh, that's hard. So this knocks one out. Let's try it this way. Nope. Well, there is a scissor. There is a scissor pictured right here, so I'll try with the scissors. So if I cut right through here, don't you just take these packages? Something that should have took me about 2 minutes is now taking 10 or 15. And how should we go about this last one? Let's see. The knife. Yep, that was the easiest one so far. No specialty tools, just the knife. So put these things here and close the door. hold the door. Yep, that was a pin that I glued to the inside of the Phillips driver. This screw is quite dot size. It doesn't really fit the Phillips on the Swiss tool. So, oh, the flathead on the can opener works great actually. And it's done. Well, let's test it. Woo! Oh, I have listened to that melody, I don't know, thousands of times, and I will more. But hey, that's probably his favorite toy, so if he's happy, we're happy too. That's all for today. Please hit the thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, you know how it's going, and I'll see you the next time.